Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about logging the repository. Basically, logging means checking what the repository has. So I'm going to start by giving the command that is git log. Let me just clear this screen first. So it's git log. We're able to see this is the ID and that's the head. We did the branch, which is version 1, and then we did the first commit. Okay, so I'm going to create another file in the Omega. So cd Omega, right? And then I'm going to touch and say omega.html. Okay, and then from there I'm going to move out that cd dot and then clear the screen just because we need to get space. Then after that I'm going to use git status. Okay, you see Omega, it shows that in the Omega file, folder, there is a file that is still in the working area. It has not been put to the stage. We are going to git add, and you're going to add everything. Then if we do git status again, it should be green. So omega.html. I'm going to commit this. So we are going to say git commit. We are going to, so in the first commit, this Omega file did not have anything. Okay, but in the second commit, which I'm going to do right now, the second commit, it is having something. Okay, which is omega.html. So I want to give you an idea of how you can access each commit. Each commit is like a branch, so it's like version 1, version 2. So take the first commit as version 1 and then the second commit as version 2. So I want us to see if we want to move backwards and forwards, and this is what we call version control. So we use the checkout command. Going to clear. So remember, in the first commit this didn't have anything, so we can say git checkout. Okay, actually we can use git branch and see this is version 1. And then also we can use git log to check which branches, which commits are there. So git log. Okay, so I want to go back to the first commit. Okay, this is the first commit and this is the ID. So I'm going to highlight that and copy. Then I'm going to say git checkout, then give the ID. Boom. See, the Omega folder disappears because it didn't have anything. Okay, and we're going to learn about what detached head means, because that is something also important, because it's also kind of like a branch of the repository in which we are in. Okay, so to move out of that, we will just press Q in some instances, but in this terminal it's already been done for us. I'm going to git log and see it's only one, so I'm going to move backwards to the branch, the main branch, which is git checkout version 1. Okay, 1. Okay, so we are back to it. You see, version 1, and the Omega file is back. Okay, so that's how you move from one version to another, or one commit to another in Git. And then lastly, I'm going to run the git run branch, git branch, then navigate to the main branch to show the files that are not yet deleted. I guess even from the previous example that I've shown you just now, it already shows the files have not yet been deleted. Okay, so if I clear the screen here and just show git log, we have two versions. This is the first version and then this is on the second version. Okay, if we go to the we are currently in the second version, which is the most recent. If I go to the first version, which is here, okay, I'm going to delete that. Sorry about that. I want to use git checkout with the ID, it takes that one away. If we go back, I know it's called version 1, git checkout version -1. That's the first one. We are back to it. So you see, it's basically just version control, meaning the files have not yet been deleted. Okay, that's it. See you in the next tutorial, where we are going to learn about how to create and work with branches.